In this tutorial, we'll walk through step by step how to use OpenAI to craft ideas for creative email messages in AirTable. You'll learn how to use OpenAI and AirTable to create marketing campaigns that are both creative and eye-catching, all the while saving precious time from long brainstorm meetings. Be sure to have the MESA app added to your Shopify store. To get started quickly, MESA offers a free plan or enjoy a 7-day free trial on any paid plan. Now, let's make this workflow. Search and select the AirTable app. Then, choose the record created action from the list by clicking the Start button. Follow the simple instructions to add your AirTable credentials. Then click Done when you're ready to continue. Next, under the Base field, click the AirTable API link. This will take you to AirTable's API document. Click on the base link. Then, copy the ID value for that base. Next, paste this value back into MESA. Then enter the name of your table where the campaign name is being entered. This is the name of the tab in your AirTable base file. Next, change the interval to every 1 minute so we can run this workflow more immediately. Now, let's add the AI step to generate creative ideas. Search and select the OpenAI app. Then, select the prompt action from the list. Follow the simple instructions to add your OpenAI credentials. Click Done when you're ready to continue. The prompt field is where we write clear instructions so the AI knows what and how to write the message. Open the variable selector, then scroll down to choose Campaign Idea to add to our prompt field. Now the AI knows what we're referring to in our instructions. Next, scroll down to Max Tokens and change this value to 500. This is the maximum number of characters for each message. Then, for the End field, change this value to 3 so we get 3 unique responses. Finally, for the Best of field, remove this value since we want multiple results. Now, let's add an AirTable record in our other table for each unique response. Search and select the AirTable app. Then, select the Add Record action from the list. We'll use the same base ID that we pasted in the first step. The table value will be the name of the one you want to store the AI responses. Then, click the Retrieve Table Fields button. This will populate the fields based on that table. Open the variable selector and choose from all variables, prompt, then, under Choices, choose the text variable. Because we want an entry for each idea, choose to add the loop step. This will automatically add a workflow step to loop through all the responses and then create an AirTable record for each of them. Because of how the table is set up, I'll add the campaign idea from the first step into my other table too. Now I'll know which campaign each idea is matched to. Save your workflow by giving it a unique name and add an email address for workflow notifications. Click Save Details when you're ready. Then turn it on. Congrats! You're done. Let's see this workflow in action. Now within AirTable, let's view the email table and add a new record for the campaign idea column. This is what will be included in the OpenAI prompt to help write some creative message ideas. Then head over to MESA and click the Activity tab for this workflow. Based on the running interval for this workflow, we'll eventually see this automation running and can follow along. When it shows completed, we know it ran successfully. Let's jump back to AirTable. Next, click on our other table called Ideas and you'll see the 3 new creative message ideas for our campaign. Pretty cool. MESA also includes free onboarding, which means we can help personalize any template or set up a custom workflow for you. Visit us at getmesa.com/support to learn more. Or get MESA from the Shopify App Store today and start automating the everyday challenges of running your Shopify store.